beautiful fish on here. Look at this. Look at this. A beautiful native fish in the fast water. Man, oh man. That is a nice fish.
I'm not trying to keep him out of water.
Got him right here in the fast water. Look at that. Look at the color on that fish. Man. Whew. That is a beauty right there, my friends.
Hey, what's up, hog hunters? Welcome back to Single Hook Hogs, keeping you ready and motivated for trout fishing in Pennsylvania and the surrounding areas. Once again, I'm Corporal Hood. What we got for y'all today is a little how-to. We were doing some fishing upstate last year, and we just so happened to get a line wrap around a cable and a log. So we thought it was a perfect opportunity to show y'all how to properly unwrap a line underwater and revive the fish at the same time. We hope y'all digging the content. Remember, like, subscribe, share, follow us at Single Hook Hogs on Instagram. We're giving away 2 free Okuma SSTs, one when we get to 100 subscribers on YouTube, one when we get to 100 followers on Instagram. We're also giving away one of these awesome Dragon's Egg backpacks once we get to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So like, subscribe, share. You know what I'm saying? We're just trying to build the channel right now. That's all we're asking. George just hooked up. We're gonna get over here, try to give y'all some first-hand footage. I'm gonna put my rod down because that's what a good partner does. You know what I'm saying? He looks like a nice one too. Where's he at? Well, let's not cut George out of the picture. Oh, he's got some nice pink on him. There it is. PA loves pink. So as you can see in this clip right here, when I'm untangling the line underwater, I'm not pulling on the line side with the fish. I'm actually freeing up the tension side on the rod. That way I can adjust the tension from the reel in George's rod and not pulling extra stress on that fish, because the fish is going to get stressed out in this situation. I'm wrapped around this cable here. Can you get them clear? That's good. Right on that lip. Right on the lip. Get him up here, look down. So hey y'all, we did get the fish untangled. We were able to get it in. At first we thought we released it good, but then we soon realized it was stressed out, grabbed it back out of the water and put it in the net. So check it out. This is how you're gonna go ahead and revive that fish. And when I talk about backwards action, what I'm talking about is dragging the fish in a reverse motion through the water, so you're running that water backwards through its gills. It helps revive it, and you just want to keep it there until the fish is showing plenty of life, and hopefully you can revive it. All right, y'all, so that last fish we caught, the line got wrapped around an underwater cable, and I guess it really burnt the fish out or something. So we're just gonna keep them in this net right here. You know, we got them in the net, and we're just gonna keep them in that net to revive them, because you know, you want to make sure these fish are living so they can reproduce, and we can come back and fish more anyway. So we're just gonna keep them in the net here, go reverse action. So we're gonna grab the camera and show them what I'm doing here. Okay. Don't worry about that cord, it'll stretch. So yep. So what we're gonna do is I grab them and I'm just gonna drag them backwards to get that water to go through his gills.
Yeah, he got a little stressed.
A little bit. We think he got a little stressed out. I'm gonna try to nurse him back to life here.
That was an old bridge that cable got washed down the creek from.
So yeah, so you just run them backwards. Like to use the net, keep them in the water. See if we can get some life back in it. Or him. I think it's a boy actually. But we don't want to let him go until he's healthy. So we're gonna stay here for the next couple minutes and handle this. All right, y'all. So we got the fish back in healthy. Unfortunately, Uncle George let him go before I had the camera ready, so that one's on me. But the fish did get away healthy, so another win for the day. Keep it tight. Hey y'all, thanks for checking us out. We really appreciate the support. We hope you're digging the content. Remember, like, subscribe, share, follow at Single Hook Hogs on Instagram. And don't forget about those free giveaways we got going on. 2 free Okuma SSTs and a free Dragon's Egg, baby. Once again, stay motivated, keep it tight. Single Hook Hogs out.